Hi viewers, welcome back to the channel Geography with Bimal, and today in this video we will discuss about some of the MCQs as well as maybe objective type questions and answers from this geography, that is economic geography, and it will be part 2. Okay, now let's start. First question, which are the two qualities that a resource must possess? We know according to Bimal, there are two qualities it must possess to become a resource, and these are, one is utility and the number 2 is functionality. Okay, so it's a very good question and very important question according to Bimal. These are the two qualities. We cannot say a thing as a resource, because when a thing possesses these two qualities, utility and functionality, then only it will termed as resource, and it is according to Bimal. Next question, give an example of a national resource of India. National, we have to predict or we have to give an example, and that is, it may be Kaziranga. Yes, Kaziranga National Park is an example of national resource. Next question, which is the most important resources of a country? For a country, the most important resource, definitely it will be human being. So it will be human resource. Yes, human resource is the correct answer. Next question, give an example of non-ubiquitous resource. Non-ubiquitous means the resource, those are not found everywhere. Okay, this is called non-ubiquitous resource. And the answer will be gold. Gold is not found everywhere. Say in case of India, if you take the example of India, in India, gold is somewhere it is available, but everywhere it is not available. So gold is a ubiquitous resource. And then next question, who is considered to be the father of modern economic geography? Yes, this is the answer is George Sislam is the correct answer, and it is George Sislam is the father of the modern economic geography. Next question, economic geography is the branch of which of the following disciplines of geography? There are some options will be there, and we have to predict: oceanography, anthropology, then human geography and physical geography. So economic geography definitely is a branch of human geography. It's a very important branch of human geography. So the answer will be human geography. State the main factors involved in the production of resource. What are the main factors? There are three factors. That is, one is nature, man, and the last one is culture, including science and technology. That means without this nature, man, and culture, nature always provide raw materials to prepare a particular thing, and it is man with his culture he prepared the thing, or he produced the thing. Who is considered as the father of modern economic geography? It is already. Who is the considered as the father of modern economic geography? Options are. There are 4 options. So the answer will be C. Okay, C is the correct answer. Next question. Production of chair from wood is an example of that occupation, whether it is primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary. We have to predict. So, as it is directly with the help of the raw materials from the nature, definitely it will be secondary occupation. Yes, the options are primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary, and the answer will be secondary occupation. Next question: solar energy is the source of energy. Solar energy is a non-renewable. There are 2 types of renewable and non-renewable. So the options are, one is non-renewable, then the renewable, then C biotic, and it is abiotic. So definitely it will be option B. Yes, option B is the correct answer. Agricultural geography deals with which of the following aspects? Agricultural geography, types of agriculture, then distribution and methods of agricultural activity, then crop production and its associated theory, then all of these. Yes, definitely the answer will be all of these, because agricultural geography, if we study agricultural geography, we will get what are the different types of agriculture, then what are the distribution, then etc. which are available in here, and so it also studies about production and associated theories regarding the agriculture. So the answer will be all of the above. As per Zimmerman, any material to become a resource should have two properties. Already I have told you, and what are the two properties? What are they? These are functionality and utility and functionality, right? Next question, what do you mean by neutral stuff? Neutral, basically we say, no, I am totally neutral, I am not, I will not go with this party or that party. So neutral in resource geography or resource, in case of resource, the definition will be the resources that are available in nature but are not useful or harmful to man. Neither it useful nor it harmful to man, and such type of resource is called neutral stuff. Such type of resource is called neutral stuff. What do you mean by resistance? What do you mean by resistance? This is the materials or phenomenon that are harmful to human beings are called resistance. For example, the infertile soil, it is also we may term as resistance. Man is associated with resources in two ways. What are they? In relation to resource, man is attached attached to resource in two ways, and these two ways are as producer of resource and as consumer. We belong to the producer of resource and as well as we consume the resource. So it is in the two ways. Give examples of man-made resource. We may give one or two examples. Vehicle technology, offices, schools, industries, roads, houses, then carom, then camera, then paint, then shirt, all are man-made. Okay. Give examples of resistance. Infertile, severely flood affected region, infertile soil. These are the example of resistance. Classify resources on the basis of origin. So on the basis of origin, we have to classify resource, and the answer will be natural resource, man-made resource, and human resource. This is on the basis of what? Origin. Classify resource on the basis of structure, and the answer will be biotic and abiotic. You know what is biotic and what is abiotic? Those deals or those bears life, and that is called biotic, and the opposite is abiotic. Give some examples of individual resources. Yes, this board is my property, and this is my property, so it is individual, and like that. Let us see. Land, household property. Household property is my household property. Good self attributes, education, working skill, etc. All are individual resources. What are ubiquitous? That is found everywhere. The resource which is found everywhere, this is called ubiquitous. And the example is what? Resources that are available in all places on the earth's surface. I have told you, And if there are any example, give example of ubiquitous resource. That is solar energy, maybe wind, okay, air, water, sunshine, all are ubiquitous. These are found everywhere. What are localized resources? There are some resources on the surface of the earth. Those are very confined to a particular locality or region or area. This is called localized. Localized resources are those natural resources that are found in selected places on the earth. In some selected pockets, these are only available. So these are called localized resources. Give examples of localized resources. We have to raise some examples. Mineral resources, then vegetation, crops, iron ore, etc. These are all localized because these mineral or vegetation or crops, whatever it, these are not found everywhere. What is the full form of IUCN? International Union for Conservation of Nature. The full form of IUCN is International Union for Conservation of Nature. Next, who was the founder Director General of UNESCO? The answer is British biologist Julian Huxley. There may be arise another question. who was Julian Huxley, then the answer will be biologist, British biologist, who was the Director General of UNESCO. IUCN was formed with the initiative of which British biologist? And the answer is Julian Huxley. Name a government organization working in India for conservation of natural resources. This is government organization. Indian Council of Forestry Resource and Education. Name one non-governmental, that is NGO. Basically, what do you tell NGO? We have predict one NGO, that is Wildlife Trust of India is the NGO which always go for this organization working in the protection of the environment. Name one non-government organization working in Assam for environment protection and biodiversity conservation. And the answer is Assam Science Society is the correct answer. So why is World Environment Day celebrated? Why? There are some importance. Because when we will celebrate this 5th June, this Environment Day, that will awareness program for among the public, so that public may aware of this, what we should do against this environment, how can we protect this. So the answer will be to create awareness among the common people about the protection of the environment. Because common people or ordinary people, those are always busy with their bread and butter. They cannot think about this. What is Environment Day or celebration or whatever. So, if we organize such type of programs in the society, that will help our society to protect or to give awareness among the general public. World Environment Day is celebrated every year on 5th June. Yes, 5th June, then 5th July, then 5th September, and the answer will be 5th June. Correct answer. Economic geography is the study of human activity associated with what? Associated with production, then distribution, then consumption and exchange of resources, and all of this. The answer will be all of this. It is related to production, distribution, and consumption. Among the following, who is an important economic geographer? We have to C.F. Jones, then G.G. Darkenwald, then Zimmerman, and all of this. The answer will be C.F. Jones is the important economic geographer. Next, and this is the end of the video. If you are new, please subscribe it for more updates and like and share it. Okay, and make a comment. Thank you.